Danny and with the producer.
Hello, have you been to several online platforms that have left you poor than remembering your first recording? Do you seek for better ways to earn online to support your meager monthly salary? Do you want to be free from health issues or know anyone who wants to improve his or her health? Are you among those that think network marketing is a scam because of your past experience? Now, if you are, I have an exciting news for you. Join Team Bulldozer in partnership with Nuevergold to change your financial and health situation. What is Team Bulldozer or Nuevergold? Now, Team Bulldozer is a group of networkers that cut across different fields that come together to take leverage of the wonderful compensation plan of Nuevergold. And Nuevergold is a German-based company, health and wellness company that produced several health and wellness products. Now, the amazing thing is their compensation plan, which Team Bulldozer is taking advantage of. Now, I would like to show you this amazing opportunity and how you can maximize it and make the most out of it and earn cool cash every week. Members of Team Bulldozer earn every week. So they have several products. Now the focus of this video is not to talk so much about the product, but to talk about the amazing compensation plan. I will talk about the products in the next video. Now, what's so amazing about the compensation plan? Now, Nuevergold has different startup levels, but for Team Bulldozer, we decided to start at the very beginning, which is the 25 Naira package. Now, once you join Team Bulldozer and you get registered in Nuevergold by paying 5,000 Naira, your registration is actually free, but your product package you're paying for is 5,000 Naira. And once you pay the 5,000 Naira, you will be given products worth of 3,000 Naira. Now, this products, you can use them, you can sell them if you wish, or you can give them out as gifts to your friends or colleagues at work, or whatever you want to do with it. Now, but after that, because we're working as a team, Team Bulldozer places 2 persons under you. Nuevergold gives you a bonus of 7,500 Naira. Now, so if you have 2 persons, or when you have 2 persons under you, the Nuevergold pays you 15,000 Naira. And once you have these 2 persons, you also get paid the matching bonus of 2,500 Naira, which gives you 17,500 Naira when you have 2 persons placed under you by Team Bulldozer. Now, you don't have to stress yourself so much to start earning on Team Bulldozer. Now, let me take you through the compensation plan. As you can see, like I told you, there are different startup levels. We have the direct, which is 5,000 Naira. We have Emirate 50,000. We have Sapphire 50,000. We also have Ruby, which is the highest, 600,000. And we have tried to start with the direct level package. So once you join, you register for free and get the package of 5,000 per se, you will be given products worth of 53,000. Now, once you get your first earnings in Bulldozer, you, as the team grows, because we're growing every day, a lot of people are joining, hundreds of people are joining every day and signing up and taking advantage of this amazing opportunity. So you keep on growing and earning on a daily basis. There are different awards and bonuses you get along the way when you qualify at a certain level. You can get car awards, house awards, foreign trips, and all that. Now, by just joining and buying a package of 5,000 naira. Now, I want to share with you my own earnings that I have made on Bulldozer. So, what you see on your screen right now, it's my earnings that I've gotten so far since joining Bulldozer. As you can see, from the very first payment here, you see it's January 31st. I joined a week before this date, and I got paid 17,500, which you can see here. That was my first payment. Then the following week, I got paid 4,250. Then the third week, I got paid 4,250, and also the fourth week, I got paid 4,250. So I've earned 4 times since joining Bulldozer. Now, these earnings are weekly. You want earning weekly. Let me take you down to my dashboard so you can see for yourself what is going on there. Now, like I told you, every network marketing business or company that into network marketing requires her members to get referrals to refer people and earn. But what we do in Nuevergold is a collective effort. We put all our efforts together, and so once you join, all you need to do is to promote the team. You have to promote the team on social media pages, and you see yourself earning weekly. Now, I have 15 downlines have been placed under me already since I joined the Bulldozer. Now, these I wouldn't have been able to achieve if I have been working alone trying to get people to join, but because I'm part of an amazing team, I have gotten 15 persons in just a short time, right? This is just the first week of March, and I have gotten 15 persons already. So you have to come on board right now so that you join me to earn every week. Now, this is my dashboard. As you can see, I joined on the 23rd of January, and I have 15 persons under me already. So let me just show you how the matrix is. Now, I didn't mention that earlier. Nuevergold has works with a binary matrix system, and what that means is that everyone has 2 persons placed under them directly. So let me take you through that and show you how the matrix tree is like. Okay, this is it. As you can see, I have 15 persons already. This is me right there. I have 2 downlines under me, and so you see how the matrix looks like. Everyone has 2 persons, and once you get these 2 persons under you, once these 2 persons under you, you get paid 17,500 naira. Now there are guys on my team that earn over 100,000 every week. Alright, so this is your means to join now and start earning. Now I would also for those of you that can sell, you want to sell products and make profits and earn. Now Bulldozer has a website for that. Now it's called Bulldozer. So they are very easy for members of the team to be able to sell their products on this platform. Okay, and so you can do it with ease and make profit. So you see how the team is structured. Now the rate at which we're going is really fast. You're getting people joining every day in their hundreds, and you're running program adverts. You're running adverts online and different social media platforms. Right now, you would want to get in now so that you get in before the thousands of people that will join in later, and they would boost your earning if you get in before them. So I want to encourage you to join now, get on with the 5,000 package. The truth is, when I wanted to join, I already have the money, but I had to look for it and join because I knew that this this amazing opportunity I do want to miss. Alright, so get on board now, and I'm sure you'll be glad and you'll thank me for that. Now, please like my YouTube channel, follow me on the YouTube channel, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and keep on watching. And I'll do subsequent videos on the products, on the different benefits of the product, so that you can see for yourself how amazing their products are. Alright, thanks for joining me. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Facebook page, and you can contact me on WhatsApp. As you can see, the numbers are on the screen right now. You can contact me, call me, or send a WhatsApp message. Or better still, you can also email me. I'll reply. I'll take a comment below this video, and whatever you want to do, I'll respond to you. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.